Welcome to StockPilot, the smarter, simpler way to invest with confidence. Let's face it, most investors feel like they have to choose. Do you want steady income or strong growth? You think, wow, getting cash dividends is awesome, but I can't sacrifice the price gains I get from growth stocks. At StockPilot, we don't believe you should trade off anything. You can have both income and growth in one balanced, AI-powered portfolio. Let's start with income. Our portfolio includes a set of 6 high-yield, specialized ETFs, each one producing consistent double-digit dividends that beat most bond funds, while staying highly correlated to the overall stock market. We're not talking about your grandfather's dividend stocks like Coca-Cola or Philip Morris. These positions are engineered cash flow machines wrapped in an ETF for easy access to savvy investors. That means they don't just spin off income, they generate their own cash flow and pay it out directly to their holders. These ETFs also participate in long-term price appreciation from being anchored to the major stock indexes like the S&P 500 and NASDAQ. And here's the key. Those dividends hit your account weekly and monthly, rather than quarterly or semi-annually like old-school dividends, giving you something incredibly valuable. Ongoing liquidity. That means cash flow that constantly replenishes your account. Cash flow you can redeploy into the next buying opportunity. And cash flow that keeps your portfolio moving forward. Now, combine that with an aggressive growth strategy. At StockPilot, AI models analyze over 1,000 stocks every evening, identifying high-quality positions with the strongest appreciation potential. Our 13 growth holdings are selected for one reason: to make meaningful price gains, with real upside, in the near term. Not speculation, but data-driven and opportunity-driven growth. These gains are typically captured in less than 60 days, which gives us a huge pop when considering the annualized return that represents. And we do this over and over, taking profits when the position matures and plowing the gains into the next great setup. Imagine those 13 growth stocks, which represent approximately half of your portfolio, grinding away, week after week, month after month, cycling profits as they go along the business of growing your account balance. So, when you put the two together, high-income ETFs plus AI-curated growth stocks, you get a powerful combination most investors will never experience. It's elegant, but simple. The income side creates stability, consistency, and fresh capital. The growth side drives performance, momentum, and long-term upside. And inside StockPilot, they work hand in hand. Income builds the base. Growth accelerates your returns. And the AI keeps everything balanced, monitored, and updated. This is how you invest with confidence, without day trading, without guessing, and without choosing between two great strategies. You don't have to pick one or the other. Just pick StockPilot. With StockPilot, you get both, working together, inside one supercharged account, guided by a system designed for real investors, seeking real results. Join the future of investing, where StockPilot does the work, and you simply follow our alerts. It's your portfolio, powered by StockPilot.